From fashion to function, balance shoes have become a thing for posture, comfort, and active lifestyles. Today, we're talking about Levona Balance Shoes. Do they actually improve balance and comfort, or are they just another trendy pair? Let's find out. So, Levona Balance Shoes are marketed as footwear that supports better posture, improved balance, reduced foot fatigue, and enhanced daily comfort. Whether you're walking, standing for long hours, or even light training, they often mention ergonomic soles, cushioning, and a design meant to engage muscles more naturally than regular shoes. But what's the reality behind these claims? Balance or ergonomic shoes like Skechers Balance or other rocker sole styles do exist and can help in some cases. Studies on rocker sole or curved sole footwear show they can encourage a smoother stride, reduce pressure on certain joints, and improve comfort for some people who stand a lot. But they're not magic. They don't instantly fix posture or turn you into an athlete. The effects are often subtle and individual. Some users love them, others barely notice the difference. So what are people saying about Levona specifically? Some posts reported by some users include comfortable enough for long days on your feet, soft cushioning and good arch support, and seem to take pressure off heels and knees a bit. Some common complaints or limits. Some say balance and improvement is minimal, not dramatic. Others mention fit issues, too tight or too loose. A few find them less durable than expected for the price. This pattern, mixed experiences rather than universal praise, is common for comfort footwear products. Levona's balance shoes might actually help you if you stand or walk a lot during the day, need extra cushioning or arch support, and prefer comfort first footwear over rigid sneakers. But they're less ideal if you expect them to dramatically improve posture overnight, cure back or hip pain without other lifestyle changes, and replace quality athletic shoes for intense workouts. They're more comfort footwear than performance gear. So do Levona balance shoes work? Yes, for many people, they can feel more comfortable and supportive rather than regular shoes. However, they are not a miracle posture fix or medical device that instantly corrects balance. Think of them as a comfort and support upgrade, potentially worth trying, especially if you're on your feet a lot, but not a miracle solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.